Hello once again everyone, good morning, and in this video I'm going to share with you my last exercise this morning, and this is downward pose yoga. This is whole body workout na rin itong downward kasi buong katawan mo naman guys gumagalaw, so buong katawan nahihit yung burns ng pag-burns ng fat. So, estimate ko lang, you can do this 100 counts a day. So, sinadya kong hindi lagyan ng music mostly ang aking exercise. Kasi nauso na yung mga copyright. Okay guys, that is it. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you like, share, and please follow me.